What's up, everybody? Mr. Bald back at it with another video for you. We made this little back porch area for the kids. We got mosquito spray, which I need to spray some on if I start seeing mosquitoes. We got the little toys, we got the little table here. So this is just a little section. We just picked up this, it's supposed to be, the wife got it, it's supposed to be a dry erase board and a chalkboard all at the same time. This is actually from Ikea, but if I find this on Amazon, I'll definitely leave us a link in the description, or I'll find something that's similar to this in case you want one, and I'll put that link in there so you can click on it and pick you one up. You just want to see how to put it together? Well, I'm ready to do it for the first time. Love the smell of that fresh wood. Yep. So, looks like there's actually quite a bit of assembly required. Alright, so let's see what we need to do here. Looks like this is going to go on one side. You see how it snaps there? And this is going to go on the other because it's going to snap like that and you can open it up and stuff. I think I got to put these straps on there so we could pick it up. I don't know. Let's see. So there's that. Then obviously these are going to go on there. Going to go, they're short and fat. So the short and fattest ones, because there's a couple of other ones too. Other ones that go in there. Let me double check. Okay, so I'll take that back. So the skinny ones.
These right here, with no tip, let me go in here. The fat ones are too fat for this. Just use your regular screwdriver. You don't want to over tighten it or anything.
That didn't want to go all the way in, it didn't seem like. Let's double check, make sure that, yeah, that's way too fat for that. See? It's gonna be, that's the tricky part. Here it is. See? Voila. These long screws with these little pieces right here are going to go on the side to snap on the braces. On there like that, and then you lock it in by pulling it back. Well, it locks in on one side, so you lock it in over here by doing it like that. Not too sturdy. See, there's that. And we got one more. So the other side, you're supposed to put that on as well. But the way they drilled it or did it, it's terrible. What can you ask for? Stuff to be perfect. This doesn't happen that way. Sure, you can see that there. Bam.
Don't stop me now.
There's that. And there you have it. So again, this is if you want to put paper on there and hang it down. I'm assuming that's what it's for anyway. It is done. I just need to get that. I need to go get some more screws, some smaller ones, so I can put this piece on the back. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the most part. So we're going to call it done. I'm about to put that on, but I'll go ahead and stop the video right here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.